In this video, I'll show you how to add constraints on top of dimensional constraints. So I'll start a sketch, I'll use my line tool, and I'm purposely going to be sloppy here. Right click, OK. So next to the dimension area, you'll see these constrained tools. If you hold your cursor on them, you'll see there'll be a description. It'll tell you what they will do. That some of them are kind of obvious, like that's concentric. If you look at that one, that's a horizontal constraint. So those buttons stay on, so notice how that's blue. So any line that I click now, it's going to force that line to be horizontal. And I'll go over here and click on the vertical tool. And now if you click on something that's already vertical, you're going to get this error. It says adding it will be overconstrained. Just cancel it. And everything else looks fine. So now I can continue on by adding my dimensions to get it fully constrained. Now there's a little bit of confusion sometimes because you don't know if, because all the lines are purple, we know it's not fully constrained. But you can look down here in the lower right hand corner. It'll tell you how many more dimensions you need to get it fully constrained. That's helpful. You can create a 3D model that's not fully constrained. It's not going to have a lot of value to it without the extra, without having fully constrained, because it's not totally dimensioned is what you're saying. Now everything's still purple because I haven't. Remember, one of the things you need to do is dimension it back to the origin so that the software knows where it's located in space. You can just put, you can try to make it symmetrical, or you can just put any dimension if you want to control where it is. So I did that, but see, there's something still going on here. I still need another dimension, and that takes care of it. Now it's fully constrained, and you'll see at the bottom it says fully constrained, and then you can finish your sketch and go ahead with the extrusion.